Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
On 25th of May 2024, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmed, may Allah be his helper, presided over the concluding session of the annual Ijtema of Nou UK, virtually from the MTA studios in Islamabad. The event took place at the Bait al-Futuh Mosque in London and was attended by over 1,300 female members of the Waqf scheme. The concluding session began with tilawat, nazm and a brief report, after which Huzoor addressed the attendees.
Alhamdulillah, today you are once again holding your National Nou Ijtema. As members of Nou, you comprise those ladies and girls whose parents dedicated their lives to the service of their faith before their birth.
During his address, Hazrat Khalifatul Masih, may Allah be his helper, reminded the audience of the immense responsibilities placed upon Nou members.
The responsibilities placed on the shoulders of such mothers is twofold. Not only must they strive to fulfill the demands of their pledge, but they must also endeavor to instill within their children those moral values and exceptional qualities that should be the hallmark of a Waqf. Indeed, the primary responsibility of such women is to ensure the proper moral training of their children so that Islamic teachings and values are instilled within them from a young age, and they grow to become devoted servants of their faith. Therefore, the personal conduct of Ahmadi mothers must always be righteous and virtuous.
Advising the Nou, Huzoor emphasized the importance of prayers in order to establish a bond with Allah the Almighty.
Remember, you can only achieve your religious objectives through prayer and by forging a sincere bond with God, wherein you become ready and willing to make any sacrifice for His sake. Otherwise, remaining within the Waqf scheme is futile and meaningless. Take inspiration from the noble and honorable women who have come before you. Throughout history, countless women from the communities of the prophets of God made outstanding sacrifices for their faith and religious beliefs.
Towards the end, Huzoor Anwar, may Allah be his helper, prayed for the Nou to fulfill their religious and spiritual objectives.
At the end, I pray that may all of you come to fulfill your religious and spiritual objectives in the best possible way, and may you be ever ready to make all necessary sacrifices for the sake of your faith, and may all of you be at the forefront of bringing about a spiritual and moral revolution in the world. Ameen. Jazakallah. Now, join me in dua. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.